Null reference exceptions are among the most common runtime crashes. Nullable reference types introduced in C#8 help the compiler catch potential null issues during compilation before they crash your application in production. You can enable this feature by using the nullable tag in the project file, then annotate the types specifically with a question mark to allow nulls while string without a question mark cannot be null. The compiler warns when you misuse variables, helping catch bugs early. With the null-conditional operator, you can safely access members and pattern matching for explicit checks. Null-coalescing, like this, provides fallback values concisely. Use nullable reference types in all the new projects to catch errors during development instead of production, and always validate inputs from external sources because the compiler cannot enforce nullability across boundaries.